Hey everyone, been ages since I've posted, just been absolutely hectic with Easter and holidays and deadline after deadline for work. But I've got a few videos lined up that I'm currently in the process of putting together, and we'll put it up, including an upgrade of the new system. But first and foremost, this video is really around my disappointment in the generator. Now the generator works fine, it generates the power that we need. This is the Maxwatt 9000AS auto start. It is actually good. I've just had the other night, I was going, oh man, that generator's loud, like it sounded different. I went out and had a bit of a look. Now this is basically what has happened. So if we have a look here, this is the muffler essentially. Would usually sit, so muffler would usually sit there, connected up, and what has happened is it's completely sheared off. I'm assuming during the vibration. Now when I went and took this out, this was actually on the ground, and the two bolts that go into here up into the muffler were undone essentially. So one thing is to obviously make sure you continually tighten these things, but just through vibrations or otherwise, I'm assuming they just unscrewed themselves over the period of 12 months. Now this thing is done nearly, oh geez, I'd have to double check, but it's probably close to 500 hours worth of running, and just the other day we had a few about 3 or 4 days of rainy weather, and needed to kick on the generator, and yeah, it started being very noisy, so I had to move the generator a bit further away from the house. It still runs. I just took this off because I'm hoping I'm just going to try and weld this back together, but yeah, a bit disappointed, I guess you can say, in that one coming loose, and then eventually rattling and shearing this off completely. But anyway, I guess that's life. Not much I can do about it now. But I'll just, at the end of the day, a muffler's a pretty easy fix. I can probably attach pretty much any mini bike or pit bike or some other lawnmower muffler to it anyway. But is what it is. Anyway, just anyone running this generator, it's something to keep an eye out for. That can very much rattle off here and cause this to shear off. Oh well, take care out there. Till next time, see you, bye.